In this video, you'll learn how to find Docusign documents quickly and confidently, so you're never stuck wondering where an agreement went or whether something is still waiting on a signature. Let's start from the moment you're logged into your Docusign account. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first place you'll want to go is the Agreements tab. Depending on your layout, this might be near the top of the screen or in a side menu, but it will be clearly labeled. Go ahead and click on Agreements. This is essentially your home base for all the documents you're working with in Docusign. Inside the agreements area, you'll see a list of documents that are associated with your account. This can include agreements you've sent out for signature, documents others have sent to you, and items that are still in progress. If you only have a few documents, you might be able to spot what you need right away just by scanning the list. But in most cases, especially if you use Docusign regularly, it's much faster to use the search tools. At the top of the agreements section, look for the search bar. This is where you can type in keywords related to the document you're trying to find. For example, you might search by the document title, part of the subject line used when it was sent, or even the name of a signer. Type in whatever makes the most sense for the agreement you're looking for, then press enter or click the search icon. Docusign will narrow down the list to only the items that match your search. If you're not sure exactly what to search for, or if you still see too many results, this is where filters become very helpful. Near the search bar, you'll typically find options to filter your agreements. You can filter by status, such as completed, waiting for others, or voided. You might also be able to filter by date ranges, such as documents from the last week or the last month. Choose a filter that best fits what you're trying to locate. For example, if you're looking for something that was recently signed, select completed and a recent date range. This helps you narrow down the list even further. Sometimes the document you need isn't finished yet. Maybe you started setting it up but didn't send it, or you saved it to come back to later. In that case, you'll want to look specifically in your drafts. Within the agreements area, there will be a section or view for draft documents. Click into drafts to see agreements that are still being prepared and haven't been sent out. This is the best place to look if you remember starting something but never completing or sending it. Once you've used the search bar, applied filters, or checked your drafts and you see the document you want in the list, the final step is simple. Select the document, just click on its name or the row it appears in. That will open the document details where you can review its status, see who still needs to sign, or take the next action, such as sending a reminder or downloading a copy, and that's it. By going to the Agreements tab, using the search bar, applying filters, or checking drafts, then selecting the document you need, you can quickly find any Docusign agreement in your account without wasting time scrolling.